Okay, Donna Jet 625, the startup operation. So, doors needs to be closed. The machine is in the parked position. It's completely black in here. We go at the central panel. We go to the on. Yes, we give it a few minutes. Well, minutes, kurwa, seconds. Seconds. Yeah, da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. She is doing something. So we've no clue what she's doing. But in here it looks like she's doing nothing. Okay. Now we press 1, which is the computer. Computer. Da-da-da. Now apparently the PC should start. Will it start? Yes, it does. Ah, American. That's so brilliant. American. Yeah. The window of life. Okay. If we want, put the little lights on. Hops. So we are a bit brighter. Not necessarily clever, but brighter. Now, Windows starts. Now we need to give a few minutes for the thing to get the paramedics on. Parametrics, obviously. Paramedics sounds so much better. It might go on full YouTube. Why not? Maybe it can help somebody that actually wants to learn. Parametrics 4.10.0.17, loading UI, and there she is. Now, what is going on is it says here commands disabled and the door open. So let's come here to the door. It's got one light. Let's press the other light. Now the doors should be closed. Yeah, commands disabled. Yes. So essentially, according to the manufacturer warranty and manual, it says to press the 0. So we press the 0. And what it does fuck all. Yes, my friends. It does fuck all. Okay, so that's fine. So, normally you would imagine you're stuck. But if something goes wrong, just press reset. Press it and hold it for a few seconds so this green bit can light up. And now it's active. And now we go 0. Essentially what it will do, it will make all these red ones, they will become gray. So, oh, and she's going green. Now, she's doing some thinking. Maybe not. She is doing something. Gray. Oh, she's actually shaking. Okay, no. So, now, this is operation finished. We are now ready to roll. Bye.